I have a question. Can you? Yes, sorry. I have a question for you guys. Is the DoorDash Community Council designed to help us Dashers, or is it complete PR stunt? Hi, Hannibal here, and welcome to the Hannibal is Hungry YouTube channel. We talk about gig action, entrepreneurship. If you're interested in this type of content, please subscribe. Let's get into the question here. So, what is the DoorDash Community Council? What is it all about? Apparently, this has been something that's going on since 2019. Last week, where I received the email all about it. Let's look at it together. So this is the email I got a couple of days ago. It says, apply to the Dasher Community Council and make a difference. Passionate about dashing? Have ideas for improving the experiments? Or just looking to get more involved with DoorDash? If so, consider applying to the Dasher Community Council, the DDC. Over the course of a 6-month term, the DDC members in US, Canada, and Australia advise DoorDash on key issues, act as a sounding board for ideas, help brainstorm solutions to common challenges, and shape the future for Dashers by testing new product features. The next term will run from July to December 2021, and applications are open through May 23rd. I haven't heard anything about this at all ever until I got this email. Now, a few of your favorite YouTube creators are applying for the council position. DoorDash Dad, I think Pedro, DoorDash Santiago, I think he's looking to apply. But I'm wondering, this has been out since 2019. I haven't heard of it. Fair enough. But the real question is, will this matter? Well, taking this council, this royal council across the lands of Dashers throughout the entire world, which is just only US, Canada, and Australia, DoorDash from across the lands looking to come together to solve the biggest issues with DoorDash. Do I think this actually will work? Well, in one word, no. I don't think this will help at all, considering this group has been out since 2019 and have done nothing to rid the issues that we're facing with Dashers. This email that's been sent out by DoorDash is just a veiled attempt to try to make it seem like they really care about the problems, to seem like they're really trying to figure this out. It's just a veiled PR attempt, public relations attempt, to make it seem like they care about the employees. They noticed what's going on with Amazon and the labor issues that's been going on with that company. They realized that unionization is actually becoming a very popular topic as of a couple of months, considering how things are so wacky and crazy right now with COVID and the recovery efforts. DoorDash is trying to get in front of this by making it seem like they really care about what we have to say. Mind you, this email was not talking about, hey, we're sorry for giving you 0.00 offers coming into the DoorDash app, or why we still have the $3 base pay for the DoorDash app, or why the DoorDash app either having issues with connecting, being down often. All those issues, that would be a really good email to be sent. But no, they're like, we're going to create this council that make it seem like we really care. Apply now. That doesn't really help our issues, considering how things are getting progressively worse over the last couple of weeks, where people are not able to basically have a living wage. Offers are so bad that people are considering just leaving the platform altogether and doing other things because we have bills to pay. We are all Dashers out there. We're not dashing for our health. We're here to make as much money as possible to pay the bills, take care of our families, to make sure that we are able to survive the next day. This email does nothing to really help us or alleviate those concerns at all. DoorDash does not need a group of Dashers to tell them what's going on. All DoorDash has to do, all Tony Zoo has to do, is go on and pick up any YouTube video, go into a Facebook group, go into a Reddit group, go to any group of Dashers and just read the comment threads, read the forums, and see exactly the issues that we're having. Check Twitter. They know what the problems are. So this idea that they're just looking for ideas does not make any sense. DoorDash, like every other giant company, especially the tech companies, they want to make it seem like they really care about people. Image is more important than actual results. The thing is, DoorDash knows that they're sending out dollar offers to people's phones. DoorDash knows that the base rate is $3, and that's not enough money to people for any person to survive. They know how terrible some of these restaurants are, and some of these restaurants do not deserve to be on the platform. They're not designed for delivery. They know they have many customers who are spending lots of time stealing and lying about getting food, not getting the food, scamming them. They know that many Dashers have taken even risks to being deactivated by installing the Power app. Why? Because the tips are hidden. DoorDash is hiding total payouts. DoorDash has a history of stealing tips. So DoorDash already knows these situations, yet they haven't done much to fix the problem. So now they're coming up with this council. But they think by these actions to make it seem like they care about Dashers, they're not really doing anything for Dashers. If they can't increase the base rate, well, they probably should just come out and say it. If we only work for tips, just say it. But they don't. You know why? Because a lot of people, and I mean a lot of customers from DoorDash, do not tip. They don't seem like they have any interest in tipping. So that's why you will continue to see $3, $4 offers. And the Top Dasher program, as they're trying to incentivize it by giving them big offers, it's still not worth doing. DoorDash is trying to act like they're transparent with us, and they're not. But they want us to be transparent with them. So they throw out the contact violations and all this type of stuff. Even though we are dealing with tons and tons of customers not being honest, looking to game the system, but DoorDash has sometimes, or for the most of the time, side with the customer that's lying over the Dash just trying to make enough money to feed their families. This council thing is a nonsense thing. It's not going to do anything to help our situation right now. So what exactly will this council do for DoorDash, or at least for us Dashers? To be honest, for me, I don't see anything that's going to change the situation. DoorDash has to answer to their shareholders. That's the people that they have to answer to. And then underneath that, maybe the restaurants. And then underneath that, then the customers. And then all at the very bottom, you know, where you have your shoes on, you step in the gum, and then you pick up the shoe and you see the gum there, you're trying to peel it off the shoe. That's where we are right now. What can they do to make us happier? They know by increasing the base rate, they wouldn't have their kids or their family pick up $3 offers. They know that would not make a lot of sense. So what will this council really do? Not very much, in my opinion. However, if you decide to apply for it, I'm not saying it's necessarily wrong to do it. I'm just saying it's probably a waste of time. But I know a lot of YouTubers are doing it, or I know that DoorDash Dad is trying it out, and maybe those, you know, people like DoorDash Dad and people like Pedro can speak truth to power, but I just don't see anything necessarily going to change. Many people are putting out content saying that DoorDash is finished. That DoorDash, this is not a sustainable business. I'm not sure I'm going to go that far yet. I'm going to spend some time really looking at the situation, really analyzing, like maybe it's a possibility. But this cancel thing is just a PR stunt to make it seem like we care. You know, DoorDash thinks like we care about your opinion, so let us know. Even though they are fully aware of the problems. I'm sure that many Dashers have complained to the customer service. I know many Dashers who have tweeted. I know many Dashers who have emailed expressing the problems. So they know the problems. They may not know how to solve the problems. And that's the biggest issue. But what you guys think about what I have to say, put in the comments below. If you are applying for this DoorDash Community Council program, let me know and tell me why you're doing so. And I'll see you guys in the next video.